Hi friends, happy day to all. Make your day happy by doing the little things you really like. Today we are going to do decor for Easter. First we are going to make giant egg. My daughter wanted it to be a dinosaur's egg. Name it whatsoever. Then we are going to make normal eggs with cement and I am going to show how to paint it. Then my daughter will be showing you how to make egg candles and little egg garden. Hope you will all enjoy making these. First, I will be showing you how to make a giant egg. For this you will need a balloon, some water, an empty bottle, white cement and a bowl to mix the cement. As we are in lockdown now because of coronavirus, I tried to use the available things I had at home. I found this white cement, so I thought of trying it. But plaster of Paris works better than cement as it tends to dry soon. So do please try with it. First mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of white cement in water and make it to a thick flowing consistency. Mix it thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Pour it into the bottle and shake it well. The mixer should not be watery. Now blow a balloon and twist its neck. Place the mouth of the balloon onto the bottle's mouth and slowly pour the mixed cement into it. Make a knot on the balloon. You can see the mixture in it. Now slowly rotate the balloon so that the cement base molds the balloon fully. Keep on rotating till it becomes hard. Once it hardens, carefully peel out the balloon. As it is cement, it takes time to harden. If you use plaster of Paris instead of cement, it dries soon. Just make a little crack on the egg. Mostly it cracks when you are peeling the balloon itself. Now we are going to paint our eggs. I am using a spray painting technique. Here I took 3 colors: yellow, black and red. Use a toothbrush to dip into the paint and just spray it on the egg with your hands. Now decorate it to the choice of your theme. It's a dinosaur's egg. Isn't it awesome? Use it in your decor as you like it. Now we are going to make eggs using eggshells. Take a bowl and mix 1 part of white cement to 3 parts of sand. As I didn't have sand, I used column powder in its place. Add water and mix it to a thick paste. You can use grey cement too instead of white. Anyhow, we'll be painting our eggs. I have been collecting lots of eggshells for some time till I had a good collection for my project. Don't break the egg into half. Just tap and make a hole on one side, preferably not the tapering end, and remove the yolk. Wash the eggs and dry it to be used. Fill in the dried eggshells with the cement paste. Keep tapping the eggs lest you don't break it so that there are no air bubbles in it. Your mold will be perfect without any ups and downs. I wanted to hang my eggs on a tree. For this, take a twine and cut it to about 2 inches in length and make a knot at both the ends. Dip it into the cement batter. Leave the eggs to dry for one day. The next day, the eggs are ready to be banged and hanged. Remove the eggshells. You will get a perfect mold. If it's not perfect, don't bother. Not all things are perfect. Be happy with your beautiful creation. Sand the eggs with a sandpaper to make it perfect. Our eggs are ready to be colored and decorated. First, let me give this egg a marble effect. I use nail polish of different colors. Take water in a bowl. Add drops of nail polish to it. I tried swirling the nail polish with skewers. It didn't work out for me, so I just tapped the bowl, dipped the egg and removed it at once. Hooray, I got a marbled egg. Here I painted my egg in pearl blue and drew designs on it. In this egg, I used a paint pen to draw my design. Now let's dot it. Here I used Fevicryl 3D outliner to keep dots. Now let's dab it. I painted the eggs in yellow and dabbed it with green. Now let's twine it. Take the eggs, wind it with twine or wool and color it. Allow it to dry. Now unwind the twine. You will get a beautiful stripes. We need not be an artist. We become one. I painted this egg gold and then wound it with the twine. Painted it black. I left even a place to write some words on it. See the design, how lovely it looks. Just keep white dots on it and make a design. Now let's arrange all eggs in a basket. Isn't it lovely? Happy Easter! I will hang some onto my tree. This tree I made last Christmas and I decided to hang it on it now.
Hey loves, I planned of making this gift box and sending it to my loved ones before all this pandemic, but I won't be able to send them now. It's okay, I'll share it with you guys what are all there in this gift box and how I made them. Okay, the first thing in this is candles. I melted the wax in a double boiler. You can also melt them in a microwave. Then for the wicks, I dipped the small pieces of cotton thread in the melted wax. You can add colors to your candles by adding some crayons to them. And I added some vanilla essence for fragrance. After adding the wicks to the eggshell, pour the melted wax in them. For the coffee candle, first pour the melted wax in them and let it cool for a minute and then add coffee grounds on top. Then pour little more melted wax and then add coffee grounds on top. That's all, your vanilla and coffee candle is ready. The next thing in the gift box is some plants. What can you give someone more than these little cute plants? For this, I added some compost in the eggshell and planted a garlic pod in it and few more aloe vera and asparagus. Add some chocolates to your gift box and some greetings and give it to your loved ones. Thank you for watching, loves. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. I hope you all are staying home. Happy Easter to everyone. Love you all. Bye.